Michelangelo 8-inch frying pan with lid. Ultra non-stick small frying pan with stone interior. Granite frying pan 8-inch non-stick. Stone skillet with lid. Small non-stick frying pans with lid 8-inch. Eco-friendly stone-derived non-stick interior. Michelangelo 8-inch frying pan is made with stone-derived non-stick coating inside out to deliver unprecedented non-stick performance. Everything just slides right off with less oil and cleans up easily. The natural mineral non-stick coating is ultra-durable while remaining 100% free of PFOA, PTFA, lead, and cadmium. Heats quickly and evenly. This small frying pan is constructed of durable die-cast aluminum body that conducts heat quickly and evenly with precise temperature control and no hot spots. Vented glass lid and ergonomic handle. Riveted stainless steel handle of the stone skillet 8-inch stays cool to touch, nice to grip, and easy to maneuver. See-through glass lid lets you keep an eye on things for perfect finish without losing moisture and nutrients. For home and away, this Granite small frying pan is dishwasher safe, hand wash is recommended, and oven safe to 450 F. Its optimum size is also ideal for a dorm or RV kitchen. Cook healthier and easier. This stone pan is a kind of innovation that imitates the SHAPEM texture of stone and adopts a 100% PFOA, PTFA, lead and cadmium-free non-stick coating. Package includes 1x 8-inch granite frying pan with lid. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.